Here's another segment of my surviving the zombie apocalypse. I'm going to do the defensive hand at this point. It's a CZ52, 7.25mm, Makarov PM, 9mm, an FN Herstal 5.7, 28mm, Thunder 5. Half ounce or a quarter ounce 410 gauge slugs, and a Glock 29 and 10mm Federal. Now, the distance we're going to be firing at is about 5 yards, and we're just going to check for handling, maintainability of target, and readiness with the weapon. The target right there is just a little bit human head at this distance. Get done, hit that.
When's it? Where do I hit for it to go?
It's already going. It's going on the inside like this. First up, CZ52, 7.62, 25mm.
I didn't hold it last time. 2, 2, 1.
So this is 5 yards, about the size of a human head at that distance. Ammo quality for this caliber is fairly poor, so therefore you're not going to get a, surplus ammo is basically all you're going to get for this. And the pistol is capable of hitting a human-sized target at this distance, but if you're trying to hit the head and making an accurate head kill shot on a zombie, it's not probably your best choice. We want to try and keep them all within this area here, and while every one of them is there, it's kind of erratic on the accuracy. We'll move on now to the Makarov.